There are cars, and then there are statements on wheels. The BMW M4 belongs firmly in the second category, a machine engineered not just to move, but to stir something deeper in anyone who dares to press the accelerator. The story of the BMW M4 begins in 2014, when BMW decided to split its iconic 3 Series performance lineup. The legendary M3 would remain the 4-door sports sedan, while the M4 took shape as its sleek 2-door coupe sibling. Since then, the M4 has evolved through multiple generations, with the latest version continuing to push boundaries in both design and performance. Under the hood, the BMW M4 is anything but ordinary. The modern M4, especially in its competition variant, is powered by a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine. This powerhouse delivers up to 503 horsepower and 650 Newton-meters of torque. The engine is paired with either a precise 6-speed manual transmission for purists or an 8-speed automatic that shifts faster than a blink. The result is a driving experience that feels both surgical and explosive, like a symphony conducted at 200 kilometers per hour. But raw power is only part of the story. The M4 is loaded with features that turn performance into an art form. Adaptive M suspension adjusts in real time, hugging the road like it's reading your thoughts. The MX Drive all-wheel drive system, available in newer models, offers incredible grip while still allowing rear-wheel drive fun when you want to unleash it. Inside, the cabin blends luxury and racing DNA, with M Sport seats, digital displays, and driver-focused controls that make you feel like you're sitting in a cockpit rather than a car. And then comes the performance, the part where the M4 truly writes its legend. The BMW M4. Competition can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just around 3.5 seconds. That's not just fast, that's reality bending. Top speed is electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour, but with the optional M driver's package, it can stretch beyond 290 kilometers per hour. On a straight road, it's a missile. In the corners, it's a dancer. Precise, balanced, and thrilling. What makes the BMW M4 special isn't just numbers on paper. It's the way everything comes together. The sound of the engine, the feedback from the steering wheel, the way it grips the asphalt like it refuses to let go. It's a car that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it turns every journey into an experience. In a world where many cars are becoming quieter, softer, and more predictable, the BMW M4 stands as a bold reminder of what driving can feel like. It's not just transportation, it's emotion, engineered. And once you've felt it, ordinary driving will never feel the same again.